Hi, this is Mark from Key3 Tech Zone, and today we're going to be showing you how to make desktop shortcuts in Windows 11 quick and easy, and most importantly without any third-party apps. So let's get started. So we go down to Start menu, and let's say we want to take the calculator, something useful, and put that onto the desktop. If I press and hold the left mouse button, drag that across, it says copy, but it doesn't copy onto the desktop, which is frustrating, let's say. So go back in and press just the left mouse button on there. It opens Calculator, which is useful but not what we want. So if we go back into the Start menu again and click on All Apps, we do the same from here, the Calculator, and drag it on, and now it creates a link, so we can put that nicely onto our desktop because that's very useful. So we've got Calculator, and then we want to do something else, but it does. Let's take the calendar. That's another nice one to have. So now we've got the calculator as proof that they work. So there's the calculator. Okay, so let's create a shortcut now from one of the subfolders. So if we go into back in Start menu into All Apps, and now I'm just going to scroll down, and I'm going to find Windows Tools. So if I click in here, it's got those tools here, and then I can create some nice shortcuts that I would like on the desktop. As an example, Control Panel. So again, exactly the same as we did before. Hold down left mouse key, and then you can drag that shortcut onto the desktop. And let's pick a nice other one that we can do. We can actually have the command prompt as well. So you can take that one down and drag that onto the desktop. Okay, so we can try some of these. The command prompt. So let's double click that one. Perfect, that's working nicely. And into Control Panel, and there we go, we're in the Control Panel as well. So like I said, what this gives you the options of having the desktop applications. But let's say you also want to actually add one of these onto the or pin it to the actual taskbar here. You can come back in, and let's say you want to get the calculator. You just right click on the calculator and just click pin to taskbar. The only thing to be conscious of is you don't want to litter your taskbar with loads and loads of apps across the bottom. So you can have them on the desktop. You can also pin them to the taskbar if you use them more frequently than others. So I hope you enjoyed the video so far. If you want to give it a like and subscribe, that'd be much appreciated. It really helps the channel. I will be doing a video on how to remove these arrows if you don't like those, and I'll drop a link in the description below, or so you can watch that as the next video. But with that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and catch you in the next one.